The first level of organization in human body is chemical level, which is a very basic level. All living and non-living things are made up of one or more unique substances that are called elements. The smallest unit of these elements is known as atom. These atoms are the particles that are participating in chemical reactions. So the atoms that are essential for maintaining human life, they include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, and sulfur. Out of these atoms, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, they make up 96% of human body chemistry. When two or more atoms join together, they form molecules. So the molecules of life, that is, the molecules that are present in human body, they are fats, proteins, carbohydrates, and nucleic acid, that is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, which is a genetic material passed from one generation to next. Another example of molecule is blood sugar, which is also known as glucose.